Hello guys, welcome back to Dato Ambas TV. This case is unilateral flexible denture, right side of the patient. This case is unilateral flexible dentures made from thermoplastic nylon resin teeth. Ultra thin and very flexible. No need to touch the adjacent teeth, superior fit and aesthetic. Its cling to the gums and adhesive are unneeded. One of the most conservative and newest treatment option in replacing missing teeth. This is unilateral flexible denture. I put two premolar. The one molar is small because it has no space. Good aesthetic as it is metal free, does not have visible metal class seen in regular partial denture. One of a treatment option replacing missing tooth. Unilateral.